Hey everyone, welcome back to Last Moment Preparation. In today's Rapid Revision series episode, we are diving into a crucial concept in software development, the Software Development Lifecycle or SDLC. If you're new to software development or just want to solidify your understanding, this is perfect place to start. So, what exactly is software development lifecycle? SDLC is a process that software engineers follow to create high quality software. It's a structured approach that ensures software is developed efficiently and meets user requirements. Think of it as a blueprint or roadmap that guides the development process from start to finish. Now let's discuss importance of SDLC. Without a structured process, software development can become chaotic, leading to delays, budget overruns, or even failure to meet user needs. SDLC helps manage complexity, reduces risks, and ensures that the final product is a reliable, functional, and meets the customer's expectations. Now, let's move to the actual phases of SDLC. Let's break down the phases of SDLC. There are typically six major phases: planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase has a specific purpose and set of activities. Let's go through them one by one. Now, the first phase is planning. This is where the project's scope, objectives, and feasibility are determined. It's crucial to identify the resources needed, set timelines, and budget during this phase. Essentially, it's about laying the foundation for the entire project. Next, we have the analysis phase. Here, developers gather and analyze the requirements of the software. This is where they determine what the software needs to do and document all the functionalities. The goal is to fully understand needs of the user and stakeholders before moving ahead. After analysis, we move on to the design phase. This is where the software's architecture is planned out. Developers create design specifications that detail how the software will look and function. This phase translates the what from the analysis phase into how. Implementation is the phase where actual coding happens. Developers write the code based on the design specifications. It's often the most time consuming phase as it involves turning the design into a working software product. Once the software is built, it's time for testing. This phase is crucial for identifying and fixing bugs. The goal is to ensure the software works as intended and meets all the requirements set out in the analysis phase. Testing helps catch issues early, saving time and money in the longer run. After software passes testing, it moves to the deployment phase. This is where the software is released to the users. It's about getting the software into a live environment where it can be used by its intended audience. The last phase, finally, we have the maintenance phase. Once the software is deployed, it needs to be maintained. This includes fixing any issues that arise, making updates, and ensuring the software continues to meet user needs over time. Maintenance is an ongoing process that keeps the software relevant and functional. And there you have it, a quick overview of software development lifecycle. Remember, SDLC is vital for delivering high quality software that meets user needs efficiently. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Last Moment Preparation and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.